After I have gone out and shopped for slabs and sent pictures to the customer and they've approved the slabs, we bring these slabs to our shop, but on the way to the shop we stop at certain places that have certain kinds of machinery that are real big machinery. We stop at one place that has a flattening machine that takes the slabs and flattens them so that they're perfectly flat and there's no warps. Then we take it to another place and we do planing of the slabs to get them not only more flat, but also get them super smooth. Then we bring those slabs back to the shop. This is the state we get the wood when it first comes in live edge. There's lots of holes and marks in there that we fill in with epoxy, but we're not finished sanding. This particular customer wanted to leave on the bark because they really liked it. A lot of people do not like the bark, so we're in the process of sanding this down. When we start to build, we'll call our customer and we'll ask them or show them how we propose to cut the slabs. And we start to take off all the bark by using some chisels and some of our power hand tool equipment. And we start to take that off, but we take it off in a way where we try to leave the essence of the live edge without, we don't want it to be too smooth and we don't want it to be too rough. Then we take all of the cracks that are in there and we fill them in with either a clear or a black epoxy. And we just kind of smooth out all the top and get a rougher sanding done before we pour the epoxy.
Hey, we've got lots more from Forest to Furnishings videos on our YouTube channel, and more to come each week. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment telling us what you'd like to see next. We post a new video every week. Keep up with our work by hitting the subscribe button and clicking the notification bell. Thanks for watching.